repair of the desk and coffee table for the ACC projects. Okay. The top is bowed from the center cross braces being tightened up too tight with them not being mounted in their correct location. What we're going to do is actually add screws to the frame to hold the top on. You pre-drill the first layer of steel with an 1/8" drill bit. You use a 2-inch screw to go through the frame and into the top again. You've only drilled one layer of the frame so far. You'll use a screw to drill through the second layer and into the top. You want to turn your drill setting down so the clutch will stop it from stripping out. If you strip one or a screw bends or breaks like this one did, you've got to get it back out and get another one in. Tip broke off, that's what happened. So easiest way is put another one in, scoot over, and go right back in with it. All the tops have at least 10 screws for them. You'll do one off of each corner. This one we're not doing because this is a different style table. That's the only reason. So you'll do 10 tops per. Once you're done putting the outside frame ones in, you take out the center ones and get them out of the way. So that will stop the top from both